Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools for this project. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to safely remove interior panels. Make sure your new door handle is the correct fit for your specific Honda CRV model. Also, prepare a clean area and use a soft cloth to protect your car's interior during the process. Some models may also require a 10mm socket. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to release the clips around the edges, working slowly to avoid damage. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and detach the door handle cables. Next, locate and remove the screws or bolts that secure the old door handle in place. With these fasteners removed, you can gently pull the old handle assembly out. With the old handle out, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully connect the door handle cables to the new replacement handle, ensuring they are properly seated and locked. Then, guide the new door handle assembly into its opening in the door. Once it's correctly aligned, secure it using the screws or bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are firm and test the handle's operation to ensure it moves smoothly and latches correctly. For the final steps, let's reassemble everything. Reconnect all electrical connectors to your door panel, ensuring each one clicks securely into place. Carefully align the door panel clips with their corresponding holes and firmly press the panel back onto the door until all clips engage. Reinstall any remaining screws or trim pieces you removed at the beginning of the process. Test the door handle and window switches to confirm everything works as expected. And before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.